Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to US Mix channel. Today's topic is Halloween Google Doodle. So today we'll discuss on this Halloween Google Doodle game and know how to play this game. But before start, and I want to say, if you are new in our channel, then subscribe our channel. Science and technology related topics mainly discussed in this channel. If you like our video and like our channel, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe and make comments, and also click on the bell button on the right side. If you click on the bell button, you will get notification for the next videos. To get full information, please watch the video from the beginning to the end. Otherwise, you will not get the full information and miss many useful information on this topic. Okay friends, let's start. Let's go to the full report. Now Halloween Google Doodle on Halloween game 2016. Know how to play. Google Doodle play a special Halloween game at home during lockdown. So in this worldwide lockdown situation, Google make this Halloween game in its homepage, and it is created by Google in 2016. Now Halloween 2016, in order to make people stay at home and overcome their boredom during this lockdown situation, giant tech company Google has started a special campaign. Under this campaign, the company has been offering a popular game with doodles every day. Recently, Google introduced the Mexican game Loteria. Now in this episode, the company has made doodle of Halloween game on 6th May, that is today. Halloween game information. In 2016, Google launched their game to celebrate the Halloween festival. At the same time, even today, from children to older, they like this game very much. So a very interesting game. Play Halloween games like this. If you also want to play this game, then you have to first click on this Google Doodle. After this, a new page will open in front of you. Now you will get a play button. As soon as you tap this button, you will get straight to the game. Here you will find some instruction which will help you understand the game completely. How to play? In this game, you have to save the cat which is surrounded by ghosts, and for this you have to draw the symbol above the ghost with the help of your mouse. Only after drawing the correct symbol will you be able to progress in the game. So you will go to the next level of this game. If you draw the wrong symbol, then your game will end and you will have to start again. So the ghost will kill the cat. So the game is over, and then you will need to start again the game. At the same time, the company says that this game will eliminate the boredom of these users in this lockdown situation. So let's play this game. Okay friends, now I will play this Halloween 2016 game. So today, when I just hover my mouse on this Google Doodle, there is one message: stay and play at home with popular fast doodle Halloween 2016. You have seen this message: stay and play at home with popular fast Google Doodles Halloween 2016. So just click on this Google Doodle today, and there is one options Halloween 2016 and play button. Just click on this play button. You have seen there is another play button, Happy Halloween. This is the cat and a ghost game. So just click on this play button. You have seen this is the books and this is the ghost. There is some introduction now. You have seen. Know how to play. Defeat a ghost by drawing its symbol anywhere. So this is the straight line. We have seen this is the red straight line on the head of this ghost. Just draw this line. See, this is the ghost is killed. Now this is the another. So when I just click on this, this is level 1. Ready, set, draw. So lots of ghosts are coming in front of us. How can I just do it within? This is very easy but very tough. So the highest score is 200. So this is the game, and after just complete level 1, then go to the level 2, then level 3. This is the very fast game. If you just playing fast, then it is fine. This is the introduction, but ready, set, draw. This is the love sign, is the ghost. This is the life of this ghost. So this is dangerous. I just try. So when the ghost are lots of ghosts coming, then how can I just, I don't can understand this. See, 260 is the highest. Then as many times as you just play this game, then the scoring maybe the score will be high. Defeat a ghost by drawing its symbol anywhere. First see the instruction. So this is the main game. This is the one cat, and there is the others is the ghosts. So this white is the all is the ghost, and you have seen this red line. You have seen the instruction is draw the straight line. So when I just draw this straight line, then see the ghost is killed. Then now this blue is the straight line, so I just make it straight line. So level 1 and ready, set, draw. When it is the do very fast. $170. This is the main game, and suppose I just not do anything, then what happens? Ready, set, draw. See, this is the amazing. When I just you can do it anywhere. As fast as you can do it. See, there is 700. So this is the main. Congrats. Okay. Then level 2. Ready, set, draw. Be fast. Be fast. See, do it very fast, otherwise I do it very fast, but whatever I do. See, this is the very easy game, but you do it very fast and with concentration. Very interesting. You just play this game as many times as you just. Oh, great! See, this is the life of our mind. Congrats. So there is a 5 level and 2 level is complete. Now this 3rd level. I just stop talking because I lose the concentration. Oh, happy Halloween. 17,950. So in this way you can play this game. This is very interesting. If you like, you can play this like this, and I just want to try again level 3. Oh, it is really tough, but in this way you can enjoy this game, playing this game. So I think you understand how to play this game. Okay friends, that's it. And after watching this video, now you can know the Halloween Google Doodle game and how to play this Halloween Doodle game. And I think you will like this ghost and cat game, and you will enjoy this game. Thanks for watching this video. If you like our video and our channel, then you can like, share, subscribe of our USN Mix YouTube channel. And if you have any information regarding this video or want to ask more, then you can make comments in the comment section on this video of USN Mix YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video once again. Thank you.